You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word from Italian meaning yellow. How do you say yellow in Italian, the color? Giallo is how it is pronounced. Alright, so let's break it down and explain this a little bit. The I here is just to make the G soft, okay? Because if you spelled it G-A directly, it would be ga, it would be hard. So the I here is just to indicate that the G is soft, but there's no proper E sound or I sound. It's just soft G and A sound, ja, okay? Now you have double L, meaning that you have to stress on that L and make it twice as long, at least in Italian. Giallo is how you say. You could spell it J-A-L-L-O, giallo, essentially. But that's because Italians don't have a J. Giallo is how you say it. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.